Youth Against Corruption is one of the initiatives Vidyarthi Parishad has taken. Youth is quite natural. The blood always boils when they look at corruption. And YAC is a platform where student force is united and an opportunity is given to them to fight against corruption. So always all these programs, the entire country, there are a lot of other programs. I think lakhs of students in this country participate in ABVP, donate their blood every year, twice or thrice. Blood flows in ABVP activities for constructive purpose, to save the lives of many helpless people. Blood donors clubs are being maintained all over the country. In many hospitals, helpless patients, they run to ABVP office. They don't go anywhere. With all, they take it for granted. In many cities, I find, I can say it proudly, in many cities, they take it for granted. If I go there, there's a ABVP office, I'm sure to get any group of blood. This type of, atmosphere, it's there wherever ABVP is active, wherever ABVP is strong. Friends, programs are initiated, many such platforms are being organized, and we are providing an opportunity, equal opportunity to all the student community in the country to take part in such programs. Students are coming forward and participating in seva activities. And I can say it openly that Vidyarthi Parishad is the biggest student organization in this country. We have grown to that stage. There is no such district, there is no such place, no such university in this country where there is no Vidyarthi Parishad. Right from Andaman to Jammu Kashmir, Parishad is there everywhere. We have spread. We have spread to everywhere. But we are not happy. 20 lakh students every year, they take membership in ABVP. But we are not happy. Our activity has gone to other countries on the name of OC. Foreign students studying in India, they participate. They love to participate in ABVP. They love our ideology, they like our ideology. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, it is loved by many foreign students who are studying in India, and they participate in OC. Big in number. It is not ABVP ideology. It is not Vidyarthi Parishad philosophy. It is the philosophy of this country, this nation, this culture. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam is an ideology of the people of this country. Globe is a village nowadays, people say. And there is nothing but Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Globe is a family, we say. Friends, what I mean to say is, it is loved by all. Our ideology, our philosophy, our culture. I mean, our means not ABVP. Indian culture, Indian philosophy, Indian lifestyle, our way of living, it is loved and it's liked all over the world. People are getting attracted. People are looking forward to India. India gives something. This is how people are expecting. But where we are and how we are, what we need to do. Friends, please don't forget, all the times we have the habit of talking about our weaknesses. This is one of the weaknesses we have. No doubt, every nation has got its own strengths and weaknesses. We may have our own weaknesses, but let us not forget we have certain strengths. We have certain strengths. The other day I was reading in a newspaper. Indian women, we always try to blame Indian women. Indian woman is sitting on the golden path worth $250 billion of gold, $1 billion. This was the heading. It means the gold in this country, how much gold is there in this country? Worth $250 billion worth of gold is there in this country. It is there only because of the nature of Indian women. It is there whenever this nation gets any problem. It happened when Chandrasekhar was Prime Minister. It is the gold reserves that protected this country. Friends, our culture of the women in this country, they have stored this gold. It is ultimately credit goes to culture, credit goes to women of this country. Some long back, when credit cards flooded in this country, everybody started taking credit cards. And India, our culture doesn't permit to go for credit. And the credit card's number increased like anything. After 5-6 years, a graph was published in the paper. The credit card number in this country started falling down. Just as it grew, started falling down. Now, the percentage of credit cards is very less comparative when you compare with other countries. Credit cards, people have thrown away because our culture doesn't permit credit system. And debit cards have come into existence. This is our culture. Nobody has taught us. Nobody has taught us. Our culture has taught us. We learned lesson from our culture. The other day, Bill Gates, just 1 week back, Bill Gates gave a statement. A reporter was interviewing him. Sir, your funds, you are spending a lot of funds in India and all over the world. Do you find any benefit? You are spending millions of dollars in India and even other countries. What about India? Are they really useful? And the statement he gave is, of course, in many countries I spend money. If at all I want to say, it is only in India where I am satisfied with the spending of my funds because AIDS disease, HIV, it has come down to 360% in India. I am very happy that I have spent a lot of money here.